This is going to be a pretty quick video on how to fix a metal roof leak that's already been fixed and still leaks. You know, a lot of these look like they're sealed, but after you peel it up, it's not. So I don't know if this is the best product, but this product here, Turbo Poly Seal, which to some people would be super expensive, including me. A couple $100 for a gallon, $180. Comes with this sheath stuff. Anyway, you basically clean this old stuff off. This is the best thing I found to do it. One of these wiggle saws. And just you get all that stuff off there. You're gonna take your Turbo Poly Seal, which I'm not getting paid by these people. I wish I was. If you're watching Turbo Poly Seal, send me some more of it. Put it on there, just like I've done here. Cut you a piece out. Stick it to the Turbo Poly Seal. Spread it over it again. Now, if you don't have any screws here, you know, you might want to put some more before you do this. And that's it, man. That's how you fix it. You got to get the old stuff up first, because it looks like it's sealed, stuck, but it's not. Appreciate you watching. If you got any questions, comment, like, go ahead, subscribe.